Hi, we're Darby and Ro, and Cosmo. We're currently travelling Australia in our self-converted van. We upload videos every week about our travels and the ups and downs of living in a van. This is what we got up to this week. We just got to this caravan park at Culgara, which is just on the Northern Territory border coming in from South Australia. We booked a powered site with water and started filling it up, and then we read the little information thing that they gave us when Rowan booked it, and it said that all water here is bore water. So we quickly pulled the hose out and we've been trying to like flush it out and get all that yucky water out of our system. But I wouldn't imagine that any caravan park would have water available that was bore water and didn't mention, like tell us to our face that you can't drink it. I understand that it's the middle of the outback and not all water is drinkable, but to say that you have a powered site with water just automatically comes with like you can drink it. Apparently not, so we're gonna have to go into the shop and get some drinkable water and maybe just flush it through our system again. We poured the water into this glass and it was just really milky and I don't know, just gross. We've learnt our lesson. We should definitely read the instructions before we go and do things. Anyway, it's not the worst thing in the world. At least we have access to water in the shop, and we did just use all of our other water to wash Cosmo, as you would have just seen. So yeah, a little hiccup, but it's gonna be fine. There's also no sign on the tap that says no drinking. We got this little 10-litre thing of water from the shops. Got 2 of these, so that should last us while we're here. Our water is very empty.
Like Maze Runner and stuff like that.
We've just stopped at the Uluṟu Roadhouse for some lunch and some petrol. The petrol came to about $230, which is ridiculous, and it was only for about 3/4 of a tank. Yeah, it's quite busy here. We didn't get to see the emu exhibit this time around because there were like 10 buses parked in front of it, which it was annoying, but we'll be able to see it on our way back out. But yeah, we're excited to show you guys around the area, around Uluru and the Olgas and all this beautiful red centre, Australia. We just got to Curtin Springs and we're making a banana smoothie to use up the yucky bananas that we had, and we've just got this little portable blender bingo juicer cup, and it's very, very handy for making smoothies in the van.
Did you get it off Wish?
No, I didn't get it off Wish, but I did get it off some other bargain site that I can't remember. So it's a bit worse than Wish, but it works, so that's all that matters, right?
Yeah, no, when I saw it, it kind of made more sense. Like, yeah, it doesn't fit.
Cheers. Hi Cosmo! We just stopped in at the town centre of Yulara. I got this cute little hat. I got a peach iced tea and a lemon meringue for morning tea, because we all know I love my sweet things. Rowan got a coffee and a croissant. And we're going to the Olgas, so I think we're just...
Is it called Kata Tjuta?
Kata Tjuta, yeah. We're excited! Taking photos.
Oh,
I know.
Suck the culture out of it.
I know.
Ranger,
don't arrest me, don't arrest me. Okay, so a little disclaimer. You're not really allowed to take photos of anything in here apparently. Actually, I think there's specific, no, the rock form. You can take photos of the trees, yeah. Yeah, the parts of the rock formations are like culturally sensitive to the, I don't know, they're culturally, yeah, very culturally sensitive to the indigenous community, and they only want you to learn the things that are on these rock formations in person by an elder or like someone who is like qualified to give these stories and information and stuff. I'm not really sure how it works, just set off on the 4-hour walk around the Kata Tjuta Olga's rock formation thing.
Hopefully we can do it in 3.
Yeah, hopefully we can do it in 3 hours because we
pick up Cosmo in 4.
Yeah. Yes, Cosmo is waiting for us at our lovely dog sitter in Yulara. It's not even peak season and it's so busy here. There's people at almost every single corner. There's Rowan all the way down there. This place is so cool. We're going to be doing the full circuit walk, which is 4 Ks and it's meant to take us about 4 hours. Let's go.
Let's go. You got this.
Hard. What if you caught me falling to my death?
That's why I started filming.
This is so much harder than it looks. I'm not a rock climbing girly.
Like a mountain goat.
Rowan is literally running up these rock steps right now. And I am so out of breath. It's a hard track. And he's up the top taking photos of me. I'll put that photo in here. How did mine come off? My hat just blew off. And I'm the one with the string. He's always so far ahead. This man is elite. Great walk, I highly recommend it, but it's tough. So if you don't have the best fitness level, I'd recommend taking it slow and not having a time limit for your dog. If you ever get the chance, I highly recommend you do this Valley of the Winds walk at Kata Tjuta. I highly recommend, even if you're not fit like me, still give it a crack. We're about 3/4 of the way around this Valley of the Winds walk. I'm a little red tomato. When we have our sunnies on, we literally can't see the camera at all. Yeah, anyway, there's people coming. Bye. We just finished the Valley of the Winds hike at Kata Tjuta. Oh, great hike, highly recommend if you're ever in the area. It still gets pretty hot in winter though. Today it's 29 or 30 degrees and it's, what is it, August? Middle of August, so definitely would not recommend coming in summer. We picked Cosmo up from his little daycare with Monica and he's a happy boy. Happy to have him back. There's a rest area on the side of the road about 20 minutes out of Yulara, which is the closest town to Uluru. And it's 24 overnight camping. If we go up onto one of these hills, I think we can actually see Uluru from here, which would be really cool. Aboriginal land, so we're not allowed down that way. I also got very sunburned on our walk today. I like lathered my face in sunscreen. I just think my face hasn't seen the sun in so long. This area is, leave it. This area is quite dirty with toilet paper and rubbish everywhere, but you kind of start to expect that now, which is quite sad. We're just playing up on this sand dune next to Uluru at sunset. pretty good end to the day if you ask me. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Hey, 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 not the poo bags! Oh dear. Oh, oh no. Oh, full of sand, bud. Cosmo's very happy to be at his dog sitter's place again.
Don't worry, don't be sad. Don't be so sad.
We hope he's sad for us, but I don't think he is. He's so happy. We're about to do the bike ride around Uluru. Let's go. I'm a bit rusty. 2K's in. My hands are filthy from the bike handles, but look at this view.
After you.
They put it up too high, so I can't put my feet flat on the ground, but that's okay.
Waiting for everyone to leave to do?
To touch the rock.
You don't want people to see you touch the rock?
No, I feel like it's illegal, even though it's not.
Did you get magic powers?
Yeah, I feel them.
What
I
do
feel
they
them in my dirty hands.
The dirt blocked the powers.
Oh no, I'll have to touch it with the back of my hand.
Yeah.
But that's actually illegal. We are now 100% Australian.
Well, we touch it.
While we touch it. Ready? Let's both be 100% at the same time.
Now it's like 99,
It's just on a decline from
98.
here. Yeah. In 10 minutes it's going to be 0.
Let's just top up and go.
Yeah. Shade stands around the rock, so we're just having our little break here with some water and some chocolate muesli bars. We really are just living our best life. Let's go. We just finished riding our hire bikes around Uluru. Sorry we didn't get too much footage. It was impossible to film while riding a bike. There were also a few parts of the rock that you couldn't film due to like cultural things, so we didn't film that. But yeah, apart from that, perfect experience. It's such a cool place. You gotta come here. It's so cool. It also wasn't too hot. It's about 26 or 27 degrees today with a bit of wind, and I know my face looks like it's 40 degrees, but I just turn into a tomato whenever I do any physical exercise. How did you like it?
Loved it.
Loved it? Pretty cool. It's my 3rd time here and it still never fails to amaze me. It is just so cool. It's pretty cool to look out the van door and see Uluru. We have to take cute photos. Oh, I nearly tripped. Hang on. We have to take cute photos in cute outfits, because you can't not do that when you're here. Be cute.
Here is my cute outfit.
Explain, where'd you get it from? OOTD?
I think they were all Christmas presents.
Lovely.
I chose none of my outfits.
Cosmo, hello! Oh, I'm so excited to be back with you, bud. How was your day? Did Abby take great care of you? You. Diesel out here in Curtin Springs is $2.99. Crazy.